Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm at again back with Meesho haul, and this time I've got beautiful kurtas for you guys. These are basically summer wear kurtas, and I try to get mostly like cotton wear kurtas, and some are like rayon fabric as well. And also guys, I sell American diamond necklaces, earrings and some gold plated jewelries in my website shinysaga.com. If you really like to check out my website, then I'll provide the website link in the video description box. Check them out. And without any further delay, let's start the video. Before that, if you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family. Without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Alright, the first dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is a cotton kurta. Let me show you guys. It has a beautiful mehendi color. This is how the first kurta looks like, and you can see they have given v-neck, and it has like a mehendi color which I really like. I don't have anything in this color, and such a pretty prints. You can see it looks really beautiful. It's like A-line dress, and behind also you get the same prints. Beautiful dress. It's in cotton material. You feel very comfortable in this summer, and it's a sleeveless top. Let me show you the bottom. Bottom is also cotton, and in the front you get this kind of finishing. Behind you get like elastic. This is like a straight fit pant. You can see like it's quite straight and looks really beautiful when you wear it. Check out my try on video as well. Like you can see like how the dress looks like on me. And let's see what is the price of this particular dress. The price of this particular dress is 863 rupees, and I would recommend this particular dress to you guys because it's in cotton. It's a cotton material and also very comfortable during summer. Definitely you can go for it. Let's move on to the next one. The next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is a beautiful dress. Again, it's in cotton material. I got it in medium size. Let me show you guys. This is also like a sleeveless dress. So this is how the top looks like. You can see the size. It's 38. And I really like the print of this particular dress. Look at this. It looks very beautiful, and behind also you get the same prints. Very beautiful dress, and it has a pocket also the side. Usually they give pockets in the pant, but I see it in this dress. So very beautiful dress. It's very lightweight, and let me show you the bottom. This is how the bottom looks like. They have given good elastic. And this is also like a straight fit pant. Beautiful color. I don't have anything in red color, I feel. No, I don't have, guys. The price of this particular dress is 521 rupees, and it's in cotton material. Definitely you can go for it. In summer you'll feel very comfortable wearing this particular dress. Let's move on to the next one. The next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is a black color dress. This is the one. This is how the dress looks like. You guys can see the dress is very thin. I mean very comfortable, very flowy material, and you can see the prints. They have given like circle prints on this, and looks really pretty. So all over the dress you get these prints. It's like A-line dress and looks really beautiful. Very loose fit dress. If you like that kind of fit, definitely you can go for it. And let me show you the bottom. They have given good elastic, and there's no pockets for this. And this one is like narrow fit pant. You can see the stripes on this. Not stripes, you can see the prints, right? It looks beautiful. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 427 rupees. Very affordable, and I thought like this is cotton material, but it's not. This is rayon, and rayon fabric is also quite comfortable, and you'll feel very soothing on the skin when you wear it during summer. Definitely you can go for it. If you like this dress, I'll provide the product links in the description box. You can check out. And let's see what we have next. The next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is a bright orange color dress, and this is how the next dress looks like. This is one of my favorite. It's because of this mirror work. It looks really nice. You guys can see in the try on video also, and I got it in medium size. This particular dress is not cotton. It's like cotton blend, I guess. and you can see the prints. It looks really beautiful. It's in bright yellow, I mean orange color. Looks really pretty, and they have given similar pant for this. You can see the elastic. They have given good elastic for this, and it's again a straight fit pant. Looks really nice. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 285 rupees. Can you believe that? It's very affordable, and the material is rayon. I don't think it's like completely rayon fabric. It's like rayon mix, I guess, because it's not that breathable. You might feel little hot, but since this is like sleeveless dress, I think you can manage in summer, I guess. So yeah guys, let's move on to the next one. I have like a lot of dresses, so I'm trying to finish it fast. Okay, the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is one of my favorite, guys. Again, this particular dress is very, very beautiful. I really like the color and the print on this particular dress. This is how the next dress looks like. I really like this dress because of the color and the print, and looks really beautiful. You can check out my try on video. Again, I got it in medium size, and this particular dress is again sleeveless. There is no sleeves inside. I mean, they have not given any extra cloth for sleeves, and this particular dress also looks really, really pretty. And this is how the pant looks like. They have given elastic, and you get like pocket on one side. Beautiful dress. Again, this particular pant is like a straight fit pant. Alright, the price of this particular dress is 472 rupees, and it's in rayon fabric. This particular dress is really beautiful. Definitely you can go for it. I mean, college going girls can go for this particular dresses, because these are like sleeveless dresses, and you will feel very comfortable wearing this dress, I feel. Okay, let's see what we have next. The next dress which I'm gonna show you guys, it's in a light blue color. I really like this color. And this is how the next dress looks like. It's a simple blue color dress and looks really pretty. I really like this color. And in the front they have given 3 buttons. You cannot open it, it's like fake buttons. And if you see closely, they have given these lines on this. And this is quite simple plain dress. And let me show you the bottom. This is how the pants looks like. They have given similar cloth for this, and you get good elastic, and also like they have given pocket on one side. You can see it's like a narrow fit pant. Price of this particular dress is 483 rupees, and this particular dress has like full sleeves. However, this is in cotton material. You can manage with this, I feel. Definitely you can go for it. Let's see what we have next. The next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is also one of my favorite, guys. It looks nice on me. I mean, this kind of colors really complement my complexion, I feel. And look at this. I really like this color. This is like a maroon color. It's a sleeveless dress. Again, they have given a V-neck in this. Looks really pretty. This is like a A-line dress. You can also check out my try on video to see like how this dress looks like. And let me show you the bottom. This is how the bottom looks like. There's no pockets for this, and again you get a narrow fit pant for this one. The price of this particular dress is 458 rupees, and it's in rayon fabric. Definitely you can go for it. It's very, very comfortable, guys, and very flowy material. I think you're gonna feel very comfortable wearing this particular dress. Okay, let's see what we have next. Okay, this is the next dress, and it's one of my favorite. This is the next dress, and I really like this color. It has like dark peach color. It looks beautiful. This is how the dress looks like. You can see like they have given U-neck, and I got it in medium size. All the dresses I got it in medium size, and they have given like 3/4 sleeves for this. Again, this is like a A-line dress. I really like A-line dresses. I think that flatters my body type. And really beautiful color, you guys can see. And also check out my try on video. You guys can see like how this dress looks like. And they have given like beautiful prints on this. It looks really pretty. This is how the bottom looks like. And again you get like straight fit pant. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 453 rupees. Let me see what material is this. This is like a rayon fabric, and they have like 2 more colors in this. If in case you guys like this one, go for it. This is one of my favorite, guys. Go for this one. It's very comfortable, very flowy material. Go for it if you like it. Okay, the next dress which I'm gonna show you guys is this one. This is like a cord set. Everything is like a cord set because every dress has like a pant. And look at this dress. They have given like v-neck, and I got it in medium size. This is like a full sleeve dress. You guys can see there's no design on this particular dress. It's like a plain dress and looks really nice. I mean, I really like this color. And this is the pant. They have given good elastic, and there's no pockets in this pant. Again, you get like straight fit pant. Okay, the price of this particular dress is 461 rupees, and it looks exactly as shown in the picture. Let me show you guys. This is the picture, and this particular dress looks beautiful, guys. It's in cotton material. Definitely you can go for it. It looks beautiful in summer. Okay, this is the last dress of this haul, and this particular dress is also one of my favorite, guys. This looks beautiful. It's in light pink color, and this particular color is one of my favorite. Look at this. I got it in medium size. Again, this is a sleeveless dress. They have not given any extra cloth for sleeves, and sidewise they have given this kind of thing. You can tie it on both the side, and this is how the dress looks like. You guys can see. I have put up a try on video also. You guys can see how this dress looks like. This is how the pant looks like. In the front you get this finishing, behind you get the elastic, and this is like a straight fit pant. I really like the print on this particular pant. Looks really pretty. Price of this particular dress is 823 rupees, and it's like pure cotton, and you will feel very comfortable in summer. If in case you guys like this dress, go for it. It looks beautiful. Now that is it for today's video, guys. If you like my content, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your friends and family, and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram handle. Until I upload the next video, take care. Bye bye.